Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with next topic in this training session, which is on SAP login profile parameter. In this training, we will be seeing about the parameters which is used to log in into the SAP system. So we'll go through the different parameters, especially those parameters they are stored in the profile of SAP. These parameters you can see it using RZ10 or RZ11, and basically you can see these are the different parameters like login slash minimum password length. Okay, so basically this defines the minimum length of the password. So default value is 3, permissible values from 3 to 8. Then we have login minimum password digits, minimum password letters, minimum password specials, minimum password difference, minimum password, the password expiration time, password change for SSO, change password login, and password logon parameters. So here you can see that these are the different profiles, and let's go into the system to see exactly how these parameter looks like. Let's go to RZ10, and in RZ10 we will see the different profile related login parameters in the SAP system. Okay, so I am executing the transaction called RZ10 right now, and in this you can see these are the different profiles. Here you can, using this transaction, you can see the different profiles. You can go to the admin view, the maintenance, basic maintenance, the extended maintenance, and in case if there are multiple profiles, you can just select on the drop down list that I just did. Here you can see there are 3 different profiles. So these 3 profiles are for 3 different activity. We'll go to the last profile, which is basically the instance profile. So the instance profiles is specific for this particular instance. Let's go to a change parameter, and here you can see I have selected just the administrative data. So basically it will just show me the administrative data, that is what is the profile file being used, what is the name, and what is the whether it is an instance profile or not, so and the version number. So basically this shows the administrative data about who changed it, who has last changed this, and which are the files for this activity. Let's go to the basic maintenance. Okay, let's click on the display tab. Okay, in the basic maintenance, here you can see the information about the general data like system name, system number, instance number, then information about buffer and work processes, and at the bottom you can see about the different work processes, the number of work processes like dialog, like reserve dialog work processes, update 1, update 2, MQ, background, spool. So you can see that you can customize these memory related, the dialog parameters, the buffers, the number of work processes using this particular interface. Okay, so now let's go to the next one where it is the extended maintenance. So let's click on the extended maintenance. Let's click on change. Okay, here we'll just ignore this. Okay, so let's click on enter, and here you can see the different parameters available. So let's search what parameters are specific to login. Just type login in the find tab, and you will see the different login related parameters. In this screen you can see there are just 3 login related parameters. First 2 are basically for the single sign-on, and the last one was for the SSO. So in case if you want to create a parameter, just create a create button, click on the create button and type the name of the parameter. Then you can type, say, the parameter value. Okay, so what it will happen is, and you can just click on the copy tab. So what it will do is it will give you the information about that parameter's value. So that is how you create a parameter using RZ10. Okay, so let's specify them. So we are going to create this parameter minimum password length. Okay, this is unknown, it is saying, so let's find. Now let's specify the value of the length over here. Say for example I want to increase this length to, or specify it to 6. Click on the copy button and just click on the back arrow. So you will be back into this screen, but you will see this parameter that we specify is added here. Okay, now if I just click on the back arrow, the green button, and it shows that the profile was changed. So do you want to save changes, yes or no? So in this particular case I have just select on no, but you can create on yes to create that particular value of the parameter. Okay, so that is how basically we create parameters. Now let's go to RZ11, where you can see the login specific other parameters. Okay, so just type login/star, you will see all the parameters with login, and you can see that this is a list of all parameters for login. So these are the default, or these are the parameters related with login of SAP system. So you can see there are so many parameters for password, for single sign-on. You can see accept single sign-on cookies, certificate mapping, certificate requests, okay, SSO ticket. Then it's about the different other parameters. So let's select one of them and just click on display. It will show you the default value, that is the minimum value, the maximum value, and the description of it, the application area, the parameter type, which is an integer value. So you can see how this parameter values for login parameters looks like. And for changing, as we have seen in the last slide, we can go to the RZ10 to change the values, to create a new parameter, to modify it. Okay, so that's all pretty much I wanted to cover in this training session. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.